Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, an expressionist art studio gallery, evidently unaware of where I am. And I'm going to make a simple swipe, I think. I've got some Decor Americana 20, copper. Yeah. Some Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I'm not even 100% how these are going to work. Some electric blue from Arteza that I'm tempted to put down twice. I was going to use some silver, but I'm not sure how it's going to look with that copper. I could do it anyway. I've got some color shifting turquoise, probably flash, from Folk Art. I originally started with some purple. I'm going to do the silver anyway. It might or might not be a good idea. I definitely need some purple in there though. I think I will use the purple that is the amethyst purple from Artist Loft. That's going to make me happy. That's the one right there. And then I am going to grab a color I made up. It's a turquoise. Another turquoise. I have Amsterdam white, 1 part Amsterdam white, 4 parts Floetrol. And I'm going to use it as a cell activator because it's been working, and if I don't like it, I'll go ahead and use some black. Looks like I have, yes, another little swipe card stuck to the back of my swipe card. That would have been inconvenient. Luckily, I found it. You know what? I really love that turquoise right there. And if I go from that side, now I want more copper because the little bit of copper I can see through looks great. Loving this color combination. Hoping that I'm going to do okay with it. I'm going to start at the end. I never start at the end. I need a scrape dish, and I have one. And hopefully that's going to work. Looks like it needs to be a little thinner, but I'm not used to it. It's like the third thing I've done with it, and I've never done one with a super heavy layer. I'm going to grab a whole lot less of it this time. And hope that something will work out. I'm going to give myself more purple there. I'm going to just trust that this process is going to work out, or I will find a way to make it work out. I'm not going to use as much cell activator as I did. I'm really tempted to just go ahead and swipe through. But I think if I use some of my Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it, it can't hurt anything. I'm quite certain of that. I'm going to want some purple over here because I refuse to think that this was a waste. I'm loath to use that white again, but I might do it anyway because it could be just a good contrasting element. I love my leftovers. I did discover recently I could put my card down and create lines. By just applying the edge of the card, which I kind of liked. I think I'm going to give myself a little bit of the black right along the edge of the card. Leave my keyholes. They're pretty colors. I'm really actually liking this a lot. I'm going to give myself some black over here. Maybe just partially. come back and use the turquoise and try the white again. With just the turquoise. I want more purple over here. And it's very tempting to think I might go in. That's not coming out. I need 2 hands to clear a tip. It's not coming out, and it's not going to come out unless I poke something into the tip of it. Which is funny because it was clear earlier. I am really tempted to put my card into some of this purple. Yeah, I think so. That looked gorgeous. That's a beautiful combination. So white, no, black. Black and white. I've got some white on there. I kind of don't mind that block of white, strangely enough. I am beginning to get some nice cells. I definitely have some paint I could scrape off and use in places that are missing it or needing it. I'm not sure I need to do anything much to that, except for I am sort of being inclined towards some copper. Huh. Okay, well, I'm going to do it. Actually, I'm going to do this. Put my copper down. Drag my color through. See if I need some more of that. Color, I mean. That is very simple and kind of chic. This is the only part that's kind of bugging me, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. But I think if I look through my cards for a smaller piece, I might actually find what I'm after. I got one. So I'm going to come over here and put some turquoise in there. And some purple, I think. And some blue, and some blue. And use the white. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It's the first blue link under the video. That white line is sort of standing out a lot. I think I can blend it in a little bit more by stealing some color. That's the only copper line. I know, I say I'm done and then I keep working because I'm having a good time. Thank you guys for joining me. There's 93,000 of you subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for being here. So happy you're here. I'm going to steal a little bit of that paint. Drag it right down. I don't necessarily feel like it's necessary, absolutely, to fill in everything that looks like it's organic. I'm liking that. That's just pretty. Just like it is. So thank you guys for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I really appreciate that. When you watch longer, it's the one thing that speaks to the algorithm that helps my YouTube standing. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the wonderful compliments and comments. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you're interested in being somebody who wants to be involved in the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes for the drawing, paintings or books or calendars different every month with a different exhibition video every month, and that exhibition video is shared with you on the end screen video of every video. I have my email address is directly below the link tree when you open Show More. My paint pouring recipe is under Show More. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, you can contact me using my email address and use the hashtag file number from the title. Oh, I like it from up here too. That's kind of masculine, but it's beautiful. I wonder what else I can do with that. That'd make an awesome breastplate. If you ever see any of my artwork that you would like to have translated into duvet cover or shower curtain, yoga mats, you name it, pretty much anything can go on fineartamericaandpixels.com. All over print leggings and t-shirts are available on Spring, which is the clothing below the video. If it's not there, you can ask me and I'll try and add it. My Legallerist is a brand new high fashion clothing from Montreal, and that's the top link on the link tree. It says new. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are also in the link tree, along with my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. It's a great place for students, and seeing tomorrow's video advertised in advance. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more takes you to pixels.com and Fine Art America through the Shop Now button. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the older YouTube artworks, and someday I expect to get caught up, but I'm not sure when that's ever going to be. If you have questions for me, please ask me. My community board is a place you can communicate with me. You can ask to see dry photographs if you can't find them. You can ask me almost anything, and I usually post tomorrow's video there too. Thank you again for everything you guys do to keep my morale boosted. I have over 2,000 videos, and they are organized on playlists. Go to all playlists, created playlists, by visiting my YouTube channel, and look for topic or genre. And if you can't find a link, you're more than welcome to ask me. I have everything organized. It's all easy to find. It's not a chore. I'm happy to do it. So look for my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. And if you need the Amsterdam white recipe, which I'm not sure about this one, it's still beautiful. It just didn't do what I expected it to do. Anyway, just ask me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Oh wait, did I not? I didn't. I didn't zoom in. I should always zoom in. I'm so sorry. I wonder if there's anyone still here. I'm terrible. I love leaving those little patches of paint color behind. I call those keyhole sweeps. Usually I call them keyhole swipes when they're black holes, but I'm not sure what this is. It's some sort of alien keyboard or something. It's cool. Thank you guys again for being here. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.